There's the engine covers for the Yamaha 2B engine. We just cleaned them and sanded them down. We washed them with some, how can I say, washing powder and water, and then yeah, cleaned them with a little bit of sanding paper. We're going to spray them now. Okay, there's the covers for the engine. We sprayed them with a primer, so they're drying out now, just getting dried. That's how they're looking now. The final product, basically not really final. We're still gonna maybe put the Yamaha back or something like that. We didn't decide yet, but that's the covers for the 2 horsepower Yamaha engine that we painted white now. We used the product Hammerite, smooth white, and to paint it. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Okay, after a little bit of struggle, we got the swivel point stripped on the motor. You can see there's the bolt we cut off. Now we need to take that bolt out, and then we're going to clean the shaft, primer it, and hopefully put it back together again. Okay, there's the parts. We finished primering it, so we're going to spray it with the product Hammerite. It's a white smooth. We'll take some more footage of the spraying for you guys as well. And this is as far as we are now. We're gonna maybe assemble this tomorrow if the paint job goes as planned and dries out, and then we maybe gonna start the engine as well. We'll show you how it runs. Hello everybody, they're on YouTube again. Today we're going to assemble the 2B Yamaha 2 horsepower engine. There was one problem we found that was very difficult, is how to change the water pump impeller. That was a difficult part to find on YouTube. So we're going to try to make a little video just to explain how to change the impeller on the water pump for the 2B engine. As you can see, we assembled the engine back to the shaft. Looking like a boat engine again almost. Outboard. Yeah, still need to continue. We have a little bit of a hiccup now at the moment We forgot the bolts is broken. Well, we had to cut them off. We couldn't get them loose, and we didn't buy any new bolts this weekend for that. So we're standing a little bit now. We can put the side covers on and stuff, but I don't think we're going to put it on. Okay, so we're going to put side covers on, and then just show you a little bit further again, because the assembly. So this weekend we're not going to start it because we don't have the mountings for the engine yet, so we can't mount it unless we kind of hold it and struggle with it. But I don't think we're going to do that. So yeah. Okay, there's the motor assembled. Yeah, as far as we can get today anyway. We're gonna need to get some little bit more bolts and nuts and everything, just to finish and test it. We guess we can quickly give it a pull, see if it's turning. You go faster. Pulling. Hello everybody. Okay, so we finished assembling the 2B Yamaha 2HP. Okay, so we finished assembling the motor. We're somehow going to take the crocker ski and test it with the crocker ski and see how much power it's got somewhere for the paddle ski. That's our plan. So yeah, we're going to take it to, you can see behind me there's the little dam, not very far from my house. So yeah, we're just going to test it here and see what the 2HP is doing with the crocker ski, and hopefully, yeah, that will be that.